Hi children, today we are going to look around where we live. We are going to look at the plants that surround us, the beauty, the greenery of the place where we live. We are going to look at plants in detail. Plants, they are very important for us. There are many plants around us, big and small, huge and tiny, and they are useful to us in many ways, from food to furniture and whatnot. Now, the plants we are talking about looking at, they have some special characteristics, and that we are going to look at. We are also going to look at some interesting facts about the plant. So let's go on. Plants. I said plants are very important for us. There are many plants around us. So first of all, they are important. Plants are important and there are many, not one or two, there are many plants and they are of different shape and size, from tiny to huge plants. Let's look at some interesting facts about the plants. The branches and leaves of a plant. The branches and leaves of a plant, together we call it crown. Now, if I ask you, what is the crown of a plant? We are talking about the crown. Here, branches and leaves. Branches and leaves, together we say the crown of a plant. That's very interesting about the plant. Then, 85% of plant life is found in the ocean. That is very surprising. Okay, another important fact is 85% of plant life, where is it found? 85% of plant life is found where? In the ocean. In the ocean. Right? Then, another interesting fact is bamboo is the fastest growing woody plant. Bamboo. Bamboo. What about bamboo? It's the fastest growing woody plant. Okay? Then it can grow up to 35 inches one day. What about the growth of this bamboo? It says it can grow 35 inches. Inches in one day. One single day, suddenly you can shoot up to 35 inches in one day. Another interesting factor of plants are Amazon rainforest produces half the world's oxygen. All right, we are talking about plants. What do they give us? Oxygen. We grow plants for oxygen. But the interesting fact is, it says Amazon produces half of world's oxygen supply. half of world's oxygen supply. Who supplies? Amazon forest, rainforest. Okay? Amazon rainforest. Rainforest. The Amazon rainforest produces half of world's oxygen supply. That's beautiful. Now, the earth has more than 80,000 species. 80,000 species of edible plants. These are interesting facts about plants. We are talking about looking at the plants around us. But they say 85% of plant life is found not on the land but deep in the ocean. What is the crown of a plant? The branches and the leaves together we call the crown of a plant. Bamboo. It's the fastest growing woody plant. It can grow in one day 35 inches. Amazon rainforest supplies half of world's oxygen. 80%, 80,000 species of edible plants are there on earth. Now, some of the characteristics of plants need food to grow. Yes, the characters. What are some of the special characteristics of plants? One, need food. Need food to grow. Why we have plants? Most important is we need food to grow. Then plants supply oxygen for breathing. So one is food, second, oxygen for breathing. Oxygen for life. Okay, we need to live, we need oxygen. Next, they prepare food for themselves. Next, plants prepare their own food. Plants prepare their own food. Their own food. Next characteristic of plant is plants reduce their own kind, reproduce their own kind. What plants do? They reproduce their own kind. Plants reproduce their own kind. Their own kind. And finally, the last characteristic of a plant is smallest unit of a plant body is cell. The smallest unit of plant body is cell. Smallest unit of plant body is cell. All right, now let's look at what we are talking about today. Today, we are looking into our surrounding plants. The plants are very important for us. There are many kinds of plants in size and shape. The crown of the plant is the branches and the leaves together. 85% of the plants are not found on land but in the ocean. Bamboo can grow to 35 inches per day and it's the fastest growing woody plant. Amazon rainforest produces half the world's oxygen supply. Then we said there are 80,000 species of edible plants on earth. Then we need food. What is the purpose? What are the characteristics of some of the main characteristics of plant is we need food to grow. Then we need oxygen for life, which the plant supply. Next, plants prepare their own food. Next, plants reproduce their own kind. And finally, smallest unit of plant is the cell. Smallest unit of a plant body is a cell.